这样就可以拍得到。Hello everyone, good day to you. Welcome to my channel here. Today we're here at the Parisian Hotel. Here we are outside and we're going to walk to this place where you will see the clone of Eiffel Tower here in Macau. It is currently 7:11 p.m. in the evening. Here we are and we're later going to head back to Hong Kong. There's a 24-hour option which is the bus.
很长哦。
对，等下要走的时候就那个。哦，在这边。对。说你没有什么感受？你还在 Europe 啊？
它真正好像比这个更大，这是它的网络酷的那个。
This Eiffel Tower is special. It's around, I think, 1/3 of the original size. It has this musical light that plays at this point of time. Quite cool. If you are interested in watching a light show, a modern take on the Eiffel Tower. If you're planning to take a photo in front of this Eiffel Tower, it is free, but you just need to find the right angle. I think there is something like elevator that you can take to the upper levels, but it's paid. Then you pay it at the Parisian Hotel if I'm not mistaken. Hope that you're enjoying this light show. I think this music that they're playing is Korean, a dance song. We are now at the Taipa area here. This is where a lot of these new casinos are located, like the Wynn Casino. The Venetian is somewhere nearby to here, and there is also the Studio City on our right, and here is a famous monument. Oh, 在那边对面。啊，没有啊。Now we're here walking on foot opposite road of this Parisian hotel. Wow, so lots of lights. Now we're heading to the Londoner, which is somewhere in front of us. We're still searching later for transport to head to Hong Kong. So two options available. One of them is the bus, the Macau Zhuhai bridge, and the other one is using the ferry. The camera is slightly shaky because this particular area is quite dark actually in real life, but in the camera here we can see it's brightened up a lot. We are now quite near the Londoner, and there's this replica of the Big Ben, so it's quite an exciting place. You will see in a while. It's a bit of England here, the Great Britain. The vicinity of the Londoner, a nice place to take photos if you have lots of time. I think it's great to stay 1 or 2 days here in Macau. Lots of things to explore too, especially this particular area. Lots of beautiful buildings, well lit.
哦，对对，手机上面不是有个什么灯吗？
You spot the Elizabeth Tower from here. Big Ben is on it too. It's a replica of it, bringing England closer to Asia. Here we have a double decker.
哪里？OK，然后就那边用 taxi。嗯。哎，kakatan terkait sigma sebenarnya.
We're searching for a taxi, but fortunately there's this bus that is free and it leads to this Macau bus terminal, which will be visited later. After taking that free bus, we are here at the Macau bus terminal. It runs 24 hours non-stop and the ticket is around 74 Hong Kong dollars, which is equivalent to roughly around 18 US dollars or around 36 Malaysian ringgit. This terminal looks quite like an airport instead of a bus terminal, and it's quite amazing inside. You can see lots of people walking inwards. This is the location of the bus terminal. It's the HZMB Macao, which there are lots of bus that run 24 hours, goes to Hong Kong, and it's only 1 hour. You can pause this to have a look at this or type it into Google if you're interested in using a bus to go to Hong Kong or Macau. After getting the tickets, now we're here in the bus. It's going to be a comfortable ride and it's going to only take 1 hour to reach Hong Kong. It runs 24 hours. Best thing in this bus is you can charge your phone because my gadgets are running out of juice at this point of time. And after an hour, we're here back in Hong Kong bus terminal. And it takes around almost an hour just to get the immigration clearance because there are lots of people. After that, we're searching for this bus that heads back to the city area. We're heading to Yamate, so we're choosing this A21. The bus service here is quite easy to use. You just need to find your location where you're heading to and find that bus with the code and just sit inside it, and it will go along a lot of these areas. You need to know which area you are going to head to. So having your octopus card is quite useful. Here we are now having dinner because we ate lunch at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Here we are, dinner, because we did not eat much in Macau. So here back in Hong Kong, this is a very famous place that serves porridge. Place that Mark Wayne went to eat while he was here in Hong Kong. This is their famous oyster omelette, but what is famous here are the porridge. These are the porridge.
哇，我没做到。
哦，你都没有加蛋啊？他问我要不要蛋，他沉底弄掉。